dance to Shotgun Jefferson's song Pool Party. This was choreographed for Shotgun Jefferson's music video. This is a 2-wall dance for 8 counts, and make sure to check below for those restarts. This dance starts out going to our right, starting with our right foot. We're going to step behind and heel, hold, and then we're going to quick switch into a cross and cross. We're going to sway our hips, 7, 8. That first 8 count, 2 counts is going to look like this: 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, hold, 4, and 5, and 6, 7, 8. So we just swayed our hips to our right. From here, we're going to transition onto our left to step behind and tap. Then we're going to cross and hitch into a pop, pop, slide. Now this is a lot, bear with me. These are big 8 counts, but it's really fun. Just did our 7, 8. We're going 1, tap, 2, 3, hitch, 4, 5, 6, slide, 7, 8. We're going to do a triple forward on our left foot, going left, right, left. We're going to triple right, left, right. Then we're going to rock and turn to our half wall, going rock left, recover, triple, left, right, left. Those counts are going to be slide 7, 8, triple, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, rock 5, 6, triple, 7 and 8. For this next part, I'm going to turn around so it's easier to follow along. We just did our rock, recover, left, right, left. From here, we're going to rock right, recover, coaster, right, left, right. Then we're going to scuff left and down. We're going to cock in our right leg and out. And we're going to want to make sure that when we do this, our weight stays on our left foot so that we can go into our step behind and heel. That whole 8 count is going to be, I'll start this way from our rock, recover, triple, left, right, left. We're going 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. So we're going to do this all together to the counts. Replay this as many times as you need to get it down, and definitely try it on each wall. On the top, it's going 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2 and 3, hold, 4 and 5 and 6, rock, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Triple, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, rock, 5, 6, triple, 7 and 8, rock, 1, 2, coaster, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Alrighty, so that was the dance to Pool Party. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, replay it as many times as you need to get it down, and check those details for those restarts, and find that demo so that you can do it with me to music. Much love.